Okay, just 60 kilometers an hour. I'm going to take a bit more slow now. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Great ride. Wow, the weather is really good now. Incredible for this season. Okay. This is by the way, St. Gallen. It's region Toggenburg, so it's on the land side. Yeah, there you can see cows and steer and motorcycles and all kind of things, but in summer it's just really breathtaking. Yes, I will continue the ride and keep on filming. Whoa, that is just pure happiness here. I think this conventional cyclist does not know power of electric. Because electric cycling, it's in my opinion one of the best and most entertaining ways of transportation. I also do electric skateboarding and other stuff. I also like electric fast cars and electric stuff, but when it comes down to this, I must say biking is one of the best ways. Yeah, that's the difference of motorcycling and electric biking. You can go everywhere. Which you won't be able to do so far. The bike is in great shape. Yeah, the engine is a bit hot, you know. Battery is alright.